In this episode, we will be following the Thresher from early rise as it faces its most enduring challenge yet. The Thresher must work for 5 hours in the most hostile environment known to chemistry, the laboratory.
Pet baby, get that plasmid at me, and you do the kind of stuff that physics would dream about. So put your protein in your enzyme and watch it digest. Yes, it's cleavage of the peptide and you're getting 2 thumbs up. You've had enough of waiting round, the food in labs is out of bounds. I want my dinner, want it now, I like my Waffle House hash browns.
Running quicker than FedEx, never drop a pipette.
Just like you haven't been to smack and need to leave an hour early cause a good night's sleep you lack.
Do it now.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but lab rats. So let's do it in one coat so we can get some good cat hats. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but lab rats. So let's do it in one coat so we can get some good cat hats.
To the hatch now.
The Thresher's task begins as soon as it reaches this beautiful labyrinth of concrete containing an intricate network of hazardous chemicals and the predatory orange coats. The Thresher must start by checking its kit. Once it is all there, the Thresher is ready to roll. The Thresher's first part of the task is to prepare the digestion solution. To do this, it requires the most precise measurements. For this, it has a specially adapted pipette. Whilst the Thresher is waiting, he must start to prepare his agarose gel. This involves yet more intricate pipetting, and he uses his specially adapted steady hand to weigh out the solids. This is not an uncommon sight. The humpback microwave calls out in distress as the heating of the agarose solution takes its toll in these harsh environments. The Threshers gather around the majestic orange coat in hope that they might absorb some of his wisdom. Buffer solution is added to the phoresis tank. This maintains a healthy pH level and prevents the decomposition of the digested protein. Once the gel is in and the wells have been filled, the Thresher needs only to pass current through the tank, and it must wait. When the Thresher can sense the end of the phoresis approaching, it awakens from its slumber to retrieve its gel. The gel is then carefully removed. Here we can see the increased ability of the alpha orange coat as it performs this most delicate of tasks. The gel must then bask under the ultraviolet light, so the progress of each sample can be observed. The Thresher will use this picture to determine the approximate size of the digested fragments.
need, baby, ain't nothing but lab rats. So let's do it in one go so we can get some good cat rats. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but lab rats. So let's do it in one go so we can get some good cat rats.
As the Thresher retires, knowing that its work is not yet over, for it must produce a report and analyse its observations. For now, however, they are most likely heading to the nearest watering hole as happy hour approaches. As we can see from the gel, plasmid B has run less far. This indicates that it is heavier, containing the DNA sample. Plasmid A did not, and was therefore digested into smaller particles. We can calculate from these images the mass of each protein before it was digested, protein A being 9 kpp and protein B being 10.1 kpp.
Then she stood